Watch your mouth. Can't edit. Yeah, so let's go take a look at this slab over here before they build anything on it. Boy, to me it don't even look level. Oh. Yeah. Don't look level though, Paul. Cracked already? Brand new slab, not even a house on it. God. Not even a house on it yet. And they cut relief cuts, but that didn't stop all these cracks. They're everywhere. Broom finish. Why wouldn't you put a smooth finish on something like this? I mean, because you're going to put flooring in here of some kind. It's not going to be all carpet. Oh my God, the crack in this thing is horrendous. Look at that. I got road maps in this thing. I don't know, Paul. Crack goes slam to the other side of the wall. I must have run out of something. I'm telling you right now, Paul, from a distance, it looks like the middle of this thing is low. Yeah. Look how rough that is. Look at that. Yeah. Is there, Paul? This thing's cracked all the way through the slab. All the way through the slab. That crack goes all the way down. And then all the way keeps going across the floor. Not even a house here yet, Paul. I guess they don't have to do footers. Look at that. I can put my hand under here. Yeah. Paul, look at that. Look at that, dude. Yeah. Are you kidding me? That is your footer. Huh? This is back patio. That is your footer. I don't understand that. Look at that. I can put my hand on that whole slab. Yeah. Lord have mercy. Dude, that's insanity. What's that, dude? How in the world? Hey. Huh? You can touch it. No. That concrete never got tamped or tapped or nothing. They just poured it and went over. This is so ugly. The whole thing. So freaking ugly. Gosh. Yeah. I mean, yeah, there's hardly any concrete. Yeah, there's hardly any concrete down there. Not to mention, you can put your hand under this slab all the way across it. That's terrible. They're gonna put a brand new house on here, Paul. Gosh. What, 225,000? Yeah, 225, 250. Look at that. Oh my word almighty. Dude, I put my hand under it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's washing out all right, buddy. Oh my God. This is just ugly, everybody. Not even a house on it. That's ugly. That's pure ugliness. I wonder if we could run a string on this thing and see the difference. From there to here. Yeah, right here. Oh yeah, it's in the it's in the concrete, huh? I know. I just want to see. That's smooth. Go to that way. Go to that corner of that bolt over there. Next one over. No, it's not bad. Not bad. It's flat. This sure are some nice. There sure are some nice cracks in it though. Gosh.